Okay. When I took off the screws from back here, this is what it comes off to. You see how it's got screws, 1, 2, and one over there to hold it all in place. None of them lines up with this. And this, which is right here, is too big for the new ones. The new ones, it will not fit properly. You see how it won't line up. I know I have it kind of wrong at the moment, but when I put it together, it just won't line up. And like I showed before, it doesn't have the bolts to screw into this bolt right here. It doesn't have the same things. Yeah, I really don't think these are the right parts for this.